Hi, this is Jonathan here in Hong Kong with Discourse, the all-in-one cryptocurrency and social media app of the future. We are here for another exciting edition of our weekly crypto and blockchain news roundup. We have some very interesting news out of the US this week, which should excite many of you space-loving junkies. NASA has awarded a $330,000 research grant to an Ohio-based scientist in an effort to develop an autonomous spacecraft based on Ethereum blockchain technology. The scientist Jen Casas, who works in the Electronic and Computer Engineering Department at the University of Akron, is quoted as saying, "In this project, the Ethereum blockchain technology will be exploited to develop a decentralized, secure, and cognitive networking computer infrastructure for deep space exploration. I hope to develop technology that can recognize environmental threats and avoid them, as well as complete a number of tasks automatically. I am honored that NASA has recognized my work, and I'm excited to continue challenging technology's ability to think and do on its own." In addition, she wants to replace existing time-delayed command systems, i.e. ground-to-space command, with an automatic Ethereum smart contract onboard command system, thereby removing the delayed response time, which would be critical in a fast-paced, hazardous environment such as outer space. This project is also significant as it marks the first time NASA has considered blockchain for navigation and communication. In other US news, IBM's International Bank Partnership, created to develop a blockchain trade finance platform, recently had its first successful live transactions. The platform, called Batavia, works by tracking key indicators in a product supply chain that initiates smart contracts and close trade agreements. One of the main partners of this project thinks that this new tool will be priceless in the near future, removing risk and adding value to many applications supply chain through automatically triggered trade and transport data in smart contracts. A new cryptocurrency investment firm called Ether Capital began live trading on the Canadian Stock Exchange this week. The company says it will use the capital raised to invest in new startup companies and buy more Ethereum tokens. The CEO of the company, Ben Roberts, says it took more than a year to set up the investment fund, as it took time to negotiate and persuade the Ontario Security Commission and the Canadian banks to be comfortable with this idea, and to set up safe housing for its assets. So far, the company has raised $45 million US, and they plan to use roughly 90% of their capital to convert to cryptocurrency. The UN's World Food Program got a huge boost this week, with the country of Belgium donating €2 million to help fund the program's blockchain-based payment and food delivery system that helps refugees and others in need of food. This Ethereum-based program increases efficiency in food delivery, delivering more food for less money, while also adding more transparency to money transfers. In addition, the money donated by Belgium will go to expanding the program's blockchain drone program that helps to identify and analyze data for better coping of natural disasters. The WFP is very grateful for Belgium's help and has been utilizing blockchain technology since 2017 to help service the world's most vulnerable people. And in Asia this week, Yi-Ting Chen, the CEO of OTC BTC, a huge Asian crypto exchange platform and major player in the crypto space, has announced this week that she will run for mayor of Taipei, the capital city of Taiwan. Chen is known for many reasons, but most notably as a world-class hacker for her winning of the Facebook 2012 hackathon. She's also known as a lead developer, as the CTO of China's ICO.info, and for running a full-stack coding camp out of China. She says she didn't see a candidate she thought knew business well, and she wants to see Taipei as a leader in blockchain, new technologies, finance tech, and to build a crypto investment bank. So she decided to run herself. Taipei is already experimenting with blockchain for tracking pollution levels and other applications, and the new governor of Taiwan's bank has said he's interested in exploring blockchain applications for the central bank. Once again, we here at Discourse are very excited about all this new blockchain and crypto news. We are continuing to see mainstream adoption all over the globe, with new blockchain technologies emerging in every sector. This is a very exciting time to be involved in blockchain and cryptocurrencies. And to find out more about Discourse and what exactly we do, check out our website or follow us on any of our social media pages. Thanks again for watching this week's Crypto and Blockchain News Roundup, and we hope to see you next week. Thanks.